Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Hey, this is Eric, My Glide Rides, and we've got another video installed today. What do we have? We have the NICECNC see-through derby cover. So they were gracious enough to send this to me for an install and a review. And let's get this thing open and we'll see what it's all entailed. It's a pretty easy change, just the bolts around the derby cover, and I'll take this time to go ahead and change my primary fluid as well. But let's just get over here to the table real quick and we'll open this box up together and see what she looks like. All right, so let's take this, let's get this box open so we can figure out this little lock here. Let's see. Little safety knives. All right. You're seeing it just when I see it here. I like that. Very nice. It's a nice CNC machined aluminum. Comes with a nice protector on the window. Does come with the new O-ring, which is a very nice addition. It goes in the groove here. But yeah, that is a very nice fill-in piece of machined aluminum there. Very much attention to detail. Very nice. Very nice little NICECNC logo there on the bottom. But yeah, let's get over to the bike and we'll get this thing on. All right, here we go. All right, so here we are. We're in the shop or the garage, and again, as you saw, we opened it up back there in the back. But yeah, here it is again. So very nice piece of machine work here by NICECNC. So let's get down here to the side of the bike. So I've got some other stuff set up and ready to go. So we do have the T25 to remove the 5 derby cover bolts. I'll go ahead and drain the primary fluid, and then we'll get this installed. So hold tight and we'll get going. All right. So here we are. We'll go ahead and get this drained. Got my rag. Got a 5/8 spark plug socket that actually fits this drain plug. I will tell you one thing. So before you drain your primary, a good thing to do, because these things will sometimes get extremely tight in here, go ahead and make sure you can loosen all of these derby cover bolts before you drain the fluid. Nothing would be worse than draining your fluid and then you couldn't get this off. So let's just do that first, make sure these will come out. But let's see. As you can see, this is the inside of the derby cover. Okay, just with the factory O-ring here. Again, very minimal little oil there. I'll set this over to the side. All right, wipe all this surface off. Make sure all is good and clean. All right, so here is the NICECNC item. We will leave this outer protective cover on. We will remove this one from the inside. Okay, we're going to set this right here on the rag. And get out the O-ring, new O-ring, which is nice. Very, very good filling O-ring. Very nice. So we will put that in its little groove. Very nice. Feels very good. Now, this is kind of cool. So because of your factory cover uses silver bolts, it plays off of the silver ones that are here. So it'll make a nice look. All right, as you see the orientation, top bolt, NICECNC. Make sure this is at the bottom. Okay, this is the way they have it laid out. So what we'll do is we'll come right back up in here. Make sure your new O-ring is completely seated, which it is. And we'll just take a little bit of oil that's right here. I'll dip right here. I'm going to put just a thin little fill around this. We've pretty much just doing a slow drip now, so we're going to put this back in. Alright, so we just ended up putting a thin film of the oil around. I'm going to do a little bit more here, get a little dab of that. Just a little thin film of oil around the new seal. Alright, because I did go ahead and change the fluid when I was doing the install. Here, I'm going to go ahead and grab my funnel. Let's see, a little rag here. Some people use these, some people don't, but okay. We're just at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to wipe this surface off. Make sure it's good and clean. All right, so here we go. Here's the NICECNC. Derby cover going on. It's going to be really nice. So again, we're going to put one bolt, factory bolt, top hole here in the top hole, support the bottom. We'll get it started. Take the other ones and get them put in place. Again, this product is very nice. So we'll go ahead and remove this so you can see how just good that really looks. That's just really awesome. Now, this NICECNC Derby cover, I got it in the black. You can get them in the chrome or polished aluminum. You can get them with black with an orange inlay here. Let's see what else. You can get them with a, well, obviously black with the silver. And you can get these in a gold color as well to match a lot of the gold theme that is out there. But these are very high quality, 6061 T6 billet aluminum for long lasting life. I tell you, the quality of these just surpasses any expectations that I had. I think they will surpass any expectations that you have on these products. So do not hesitate to go to NICECNC.com and you can use the discount code. You'll get 11% off if you use MGR11. That's for My Glide Rides. 11 MGR, and you'll get 11% off of your parts there. So be sure when you look them up, send them a thing, tell them that Eric with My Glide Rides told you to come, Again, these are, we will torque these down, and we'll let you see what this looks like. Give me just a second, let me get it torqued down. All right, so the torque spec on these, again, we're using a T20, T25 for these star bolts for the derby cover. 100 inch-pounds. This is, I think, 95 to 108. I just set at 100, and that has never failed me. So we will do this in a staggered pattern. Get them snug first. Again, never want to over tighten one. You heard the click? Click. 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 Really nice looking look on the side of the bike here. So definitely, it's an easy do-it-yourself install. I mean, just a matter of just a few hand tools, 1/4 inch drive, T25. If you want to change the fluids, a 5/8 spark plug wrench does great to drain the plug under here. But man, that's a fabulous looking product. Nice CNC. You've got some great things. I definitely appreciate you sending this to me. But let's get this thing cranked up. Let's see what this looks like. Well guys, there you have it. The NICECNC clear or transparent derby cover has been installed. It typically shouldn't take you more than probably 10 minutes to do that change out. I took mine a little bit longer just because, one, I had a friend come over, and two, I went ahead and changed the fluid while I was there. So man, it's just it's a great looking piece. I personally chose the black one with the silver inlay, but again, you can get them in gold, you can get them in chrome, you can get them in the black with the orange inlay. So there's NICECNC has multiple choices of these products for you. So be sure to go check them out. If you like their products and you're checking out, use MGR, My Glide Rides, MGR 11 upon checkout, and you can get 11% off of your order. So hey, be sure to tell them that Eric with My Glide Rides sent you. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe if you haven't. There's a lot of y'all out there that are watching but are not subscribing. So again, it's free. Be sure to check this out. And also, coming up here shortly, we're going to do another install from NICECNC. And what is it? It's the clear cam chest cover. Yep, I got a black one of these with a clear here. So that's going to be really nice. So guys, be sure to stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I'll be putting some teasers out here in a little bit. And hey, I just appreciate you stopping by. And again, this is a nice product, a beautiful product. And we'll just take a walk by real quick and take another look at it. All right. I appreciate you, NICECNC. And guys, be sure to check out My Glide Rides, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all of them. So thanks for hanging around. We'll see you in the next one.